So this is working into my midtones and really trying to capture the skin tones here. And you'll notice this is a warm color over the green. A lot of this is pressure. You push up on the pastel, you let off, and that creates different strokes. And it creates a different amount of actual pigment that's going on the paper. Press a little harder in some areas, a little lighter in others. The areas that I'm pressing a little lighter in is I know I'm going to put a few more layers of color on. And you can go back in, since these are relatively close in value, you can go back in and bring a little more dark or a little more cool color in the greens. And a lot of this is just playing with it until you get what you feel is a comfortable combination. Okay. So I have a combination of an olive green and a sort of a reddish rust color. So now I'm going, so it was cool, now warm. So I'm going to go back in now with some cool colors, which would be another type of green. This is sort of a light yellowy green.